A very good evening to all, and thank you so much, Tagreed Fayad, Lebanese Forum for Culture. I, Dr. Shamanaz from India, give my regard and gratitude for organizing this wonderful event on account of International Poetry Day. I like the topic Women as the Light of World. So I will be speaking on this particular topic. So we are currently we are living in a new world, and the role which women are playing in this new world. So uh, we since last year we have experienced the disastrous effect of coronavirus impact globally, and so we are living in a world which comprises of lockdown, quarantine, seclusion, which is an outcome of corona pandemic. Earlier we were not so acquainted with the term like lockdown and quarantine, but in COVID era we are continuously using it in our day-to-day life. In this era we are basically living in a digital age. That is why now we are close to more and more people around the world. No matter whatever is the reason behind the global spread of COVID, but it has impacted each and every individual around the world. It has devastated the economy of many countries. Even developed countries are in its grip. So, when we see its impact, we see that women around the world are worst affected by it because they have to look after their families more than their male counterpart, even in this age of female emancipation. But in this adverse times, women have dealt with issue with flying colors, as Melinda Gates opined. This is how we have emerged from the pandemic in all of its dimension, by recognizing that women are not just victim of a broken world; they can be architect of a better world. So, life as it is seen as a privilege with women only brings around the world. Woman is a creator who takes so much of pain and brings a new life in this world. And she is courageous uh, enough to deal with any situation, however tough it is. And this is what pandemic or COVID era has proved. When the whole world was drastically struggling from the deadly virus, and the statement of the powerful countries and those statements who were considered as very powerful, they experimented many things and have exerted all their strength, but were not able to defeat COVID. In such a devastating situation, women leaders proved to be very efficient. Though women leaders constitute only 8% of total global political leader, but the fact is that women have accounted uh, for an estimate 40% of the most successful response to COVID 19. This has been analyzed by many columnists. For example, New York Times columnist Nick Kristof comparative analysis pointed out that women-led countries have a 6 times lower death rate than those led by the male leaders in other countries. In this list, we see that Prime Minister Jacinda Ardern of New Zealand is leading from the front, followed by many other powerful female leaders like Tsai Ing-wen, the Prime Minister of Taiwan, Katrin Jacobs, PM of Iceland, Nicola Ferguson Sturgeon, PM of Scotland, Angela Merkel, Chancellor of Germany, Carrie Lam, Prime Minister of Hong Kong, Erna Solberg, Prime Minister of Norway, Sanna Marin, Prime Minister of Finland, and Sheikh Hasina Wajid, Prime Minister of Bangladesh. So, these women leaders prove their worth and demonstrated to the world that women are the best in disaster management. They broke the stereotype notion of superiority of male in politics. Women have always got a problem solving nature, which was though not accepted by the male counterpart. So when this pandemic broke, in this alarming situation, female led countries locked down much earlier than the male led countries. So, in the average, they had less death ratio. And the increase concerning the current situation, it is proved that women leader proved to be the more risk averse. But on the contrary, we see male leader taking risks. Women leaders have taken early risks while their economies by locking down early, but they this to save lives of their citizens, which was more necessary than the economy. One of the facts is that women lead in interpersonality oriented manner because no matter women have advanced so much, but by heart they are homely creature. They love the safety of the member more than the economy. Women, therefore, tend to adopt a more democratic and participative style and tend to have better communication skill. If we take the example of common women, their position was no less, especially for working women, because during lockdown everything was shut down and all the official work were carried from the home. This gave women more responsibilities as they had to serve as housekeeper, home or homemaker as well as official worker simultaneously. And women around the world have done their job with vigor and enthusiasm. So they had performed their role both on professional and personal front effectively. But this pandemic has also given rise to many problems relating women around the world. Incident and evidences have increasingly been reported showing that the policy of isolation and confinement leading to the increased level of domestic sexual and gender based violence, and therefore to a heightened need of protection against this. Hence, the crime against women need to be checked for a smooth running of society. We have to build a society which rests on the principle of liberty and equality. For, for that purpose, it is necessary there is that there is no prejudice existing in the world on the basis of gender. If we see the scenario uh, of current time, then we see that women have performed uh, comparatively good in terms of politics, and in the domestic front also they have been performing very well around the world, whether it is Asia, Europe, America, or any country. So hope women will prove their worth again and again in this world, and we will try to make this world a world which is does not based on the prejudice of gender. Thank you so much, Tagrit Fayad, and thank you so much, Tagrit Fayad, Lebanese Forum for Culture, for providing me this wonderful opportunity. Thank you so much.